Mhm.
I bumped into Superman. Call a smoking monster down. It go that way. I want to try. I'll make this one. Wow. You didn't make it. My turn.
Come on, you got to share, Elias.
The truck. That was cool. What my truck did. That. My turn.
Hold on, let him give it a try again, Elias. It didn't quite work.
Go. Go. Nope, I'm not ready yet. Stop it. You're annoying the truck. Hey, stop it. I want to. Stop it or I'm not going to let you have a turn.